Imagine you're out on a quiet evening, staring at the stars, and suddenly the sky is lit with a bright, unfamiliar light. Incredible technology, the likes of which you've never seen before, blast through Earth's atmosphere. News channels are buzzing, social media is exploding. An extraterrestrial invasion is upon us. Would it be a friendly exchange, a benign visit, or the very threat to our existence? Let's find out. While sci-fi movies might make it seem like all aliens have a taste for city destruction, it's entirely possible our visitors come in peace. They might bring gifts, futuristic technology, cures to diseases, or invaluable knowledge. Perhaps they have come to help us understand our own purpose and meaning in the universe. But what if they are not peaceful at all? What if their intentions are far more sinister? Let's imagine the chilling possibility that these celestial beings are here not for diplomacy, but for utter conquest. This particular alien race is ambitious, materialistic, and brutal, and they've set their sights on our gold and diamonds. Their technology, being interstellar, would presumably be far more advanced and deadly than anything we've ever seen before. The first 24 hours would be pivotal. World leaders around Earth would scramble for a united front. The military would be on high alert, getting ready for battle, and everyday civilians would brace for the unknown.
Not as the leader of a country, but as a citizen of humanity. We are faced with the very gravest of challenges.
The world as we know it might change in the blink of an eye. Every aspect of our life, internet, communications, transportation, could come to a screeching halt as the aliens took out these facilities with destructive force. Next, the aliens would deploy weaponry so advanced that it seemed like magic to us and started taking out our food and water supplies. Countries around the world would deploy their air force and navy to face our alien foes in an epic battle of massive proportions. It would be the most deadly and unfathomable event our civilization would have ever seen. But the real battle, far more important, has just begun, behind the scenes. Humans are resilient, adaptable, and incredibly innovative when cornered. Specialized task force teams around the world would form, aiming to decipher the alien technology or find their weaknesses as quickly as possible. Scientists would work around the clock, united by a single purpose, ensuring the survival of humanity. There would be no sleeping on planet Earth, with our families and loved ones at risk of annihilation.
477 left 10. 477 Roger, have visual contact. Holy shit, that's something else.
Repeat, 477.
This thing's huge.
Remember the Trojan horse, or hacking attacks in the cyber world? We would need similar strategies on a grander scale. Espionage would be crucial, sending spies into the alien ranks, sabotaging their operations, and finding their Achilles heel. The fight wouldn't just be physical, but intellectual. This is where the aliens might have overlooked. Humans are quite cunning when it comes to sabotage. However, what if the aliens are too powerful to defeat?
About to meet with the military personnel, a group of white spikes attack the vehicles, killing the soldiers on them. The civilian soldiers run away from the red smoke while shooting at the white spikes.
It's a dark thought, but a possibility nonetheless, that the aliens could win the war. If the aliens' technology is light years ahead, and if their resolve to conquer Earth is unshakable, humanity would face its most challenging test. Cities would fall. Populations might be enslaved, or worse, exterminated. Earth could turn into a wasteland, a mere shadow of its vibrant past. Small hidden communities would struggle to survive, and the brave would gather a rebellion force to continue the fight. One thing is for sure, an alien invasion, whether victorious or ending in defeat, would bring humans together. An alien invasion, threatening as it might sound, could finally accomplish what centuries of diplomacy sometimes couldn't: unite humanity. Borders, languages, and disputes might seem petty when facing an external cosmic threat. This unity might be our biggest strength. The world, working as one, pooling resources, and sharing intelligence and strategies, would be a formidable force. Perhaps this would be the event that would allow humans to overcome our greatest weakness: pride. Whether we emerge victorious or face defeat, Earth post-invasion would be a vastly different place. If we win, the world might see an era of unprecedented technological advancement. Alien technology could propel us into a new age, bonded together in our united victory against our cosmic enemies. If we lose, the remnants of humanity might have to live in hiding, launching guerrilla attacks and hoping for a chance to reclaim their home. One can only hope that if aliens do visit us on Earth, it will be marked by friendship and mutual respect. But if it's a battle they seek, may the cosmos bear witness: humanity won't go down without a fight.